Today I'm going to be showing you O'Keeffe's Working Hands Cream. This is for anyone that has really rough, dry, and cracked hands. I know for myself, I work in healthcare. I'm constantly washing my hands. It's very easy for my hands to get dry and roughed and cracked. And this does a really great job at quickly repairing my hands in between shifts. I'm going to open this up for you and show you how it works. So comes off very easily like this. Cream is white, just like a paste-like consistency. You just take some off, and then you just rub it on your hand, and it really goes on your hand as like a thin layer. It's very easy to apply. A good jar of this will last you a super long time. I get at least 6 months from my jars of O'Keeffe Working Hands Cream. And my hands afterwards just feel very soft, very repaired. It's my absolute go-to, and I highly recommend it to others.